Find or read reviews that people are talking about YAOKIREN 32-inch Smart Portable TV. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Built-in 13 megapixels camera for video calls. Stay connected with a built-in 13 megapixels HD camera, perfect for video calls, online meetings, and virtual classes. No need for extra devices, enjoy a clearer, smoother communication experience for work and family use. Take your entertainment anywhere with this 32-inch portable TV on wheels. Equipped with a 15,000 mAh built-in battery for up to 8 hours of use, plus a stable base and smooth silent casters for easy room-to-room mobility. Supports 4K, 1080p and other digital formats for sharp, vibrant visuals. Enjoy movies, apps, and content with enhanced clarity on a large touchscreen display. Mirror or extend your screen effortlessly from your phone, tablet, or laptop via wireless casting or HDMI connection. Stream videos, display apps, or share presentations anytime, anywhere. Rotate between portrait and landscape modes, adjust height and tilt for the perfect viewing angle. Quick, hassle-free installation with pre-installed screws, no complicated tools required. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.